Shalom, shalom. It's here, people. It's here. We can't avoid it. It's here. What are you talking about, Orlando? You guys know what we're talking about. We definitely try to avoid it. Well, not even try to avoid it. We couldn't control it. The future is here. You can't avoid the future, right? The future is necessary. And one of those things that's in the future for us as truckers, because this is my channel is mainly a trucker channel, is trucks. The autonomous trucks, self-driving trucks is here. And they so-called here to take over. That's what they say. What y'all think? Do y'all think it's gonna take over? Leave in the comments. Tell me what you think about it. Now let's talk about it. Now guys, I definitely did my research. I've been looking up stuff, and I've seen several different sites talking about what's possible to come, right? So this one article that I read, it says the innovation in autonomous technology are redefining industries, and the trucking sector is no exception. Driverless semi-trucks are no longer just a concept of the future. They're here, reshaping how goods are transported across the globe. So they trying to take our job, people. They trying to take our jobs. They trying to take our job, but it's all good though. We're gonna embrace it. We're just gonna make sure they don't come as smooth as they should. What y'all think about that, right? Autonomous trucks, self-driving trucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're definitely they got some. It's a possibility it could work. I don't know if it's gonna work all the way, but it's a possibility it could work. These trucks, from all the research I did, I seen one. I wrote it down. These trucks are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence. These driverless trucks are designed to navigate highways, avoid obstacles, and deliver cargo with precision. These innovations stem from years of research, development, and partnership between tech companies and logistic giants. So guys, you know they've been researching. You know they're trying to make it easiest as possible for them, and for them to save money because they feel like the robots can do better. No, nothing can do better than humans. Surprise! That's my stand on that. Nothing can do better than humans. I said it here first, guys. I said it here first. You hear me? Hey, that's all I'm saying. Now, let's be honest, guys. Let's talk about the benefits of these trucks, right? Let's talk about the benefits. I'm sure it can help a little bit from the other standpoint of the shipper, I guess you would say. Now, these driverless semi-trucks, they promise to increase efficiency, reduce delays. Reduce delay was caused by us humans, they say. and you know, delays and stuff like that come from fatigue. Hey man, I got tired. I got to stop at this truck stop. Sorry. Life come first, right? Life come first. Now, they also enhance safety. I don't know about that. They say they also enhance safety. These are articles I'm reading now. I don't know about that. Because I seen a video, I don't know if it was in China or what, but that truck was on fire. I don't know. Is that safer? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But you know what? AI is already pretty much here, because my truck is a Freightliner, Cascadia. Now, a lot of things that's the safety features in my truck, I guess you would say that's artificial intelligence, right? So just by crossing the lines, even the regular cars are having it. You know, you put it on cruise control, it'll slow down itself. It'll speed up itself when there's enough traffic. Where it'll speed up itself when there's enough space. Right, you hear the train. You know, I'm in the truck yard. So we already using it. We can't avoid it. Just embrace it, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. Just embrace it. Now, I've been doing a lot of research, man. Like, these trucks, I'm not gonna lie. These trucks, some of them look crazy. They definitely look futuristic. I must say that. They look futuristic. You know, I'm just reading all these articles, different articles that I see. And with optimized fuel usage and the potential for electric integration, these trucks are paving the way for a greener future in freight transportation. That's what they say. That's what these are all different articles I'm reading. Like, yeah. That's all I'm saying. Yeah. Now, my question is, like, a person like me, I'm still a little young. So what about those truck drivers that's been there 30 years, man? Some of those guys, this is my opinion, might have challenges when it comes to these new trucks. You know, because they so stuck in their ways of doing certain things a certain way, they might not be able to adjust. Like some trucks, hey man, I drive 8 hours, that's it. You know, whatever it is. But guys, we just gotta adjust. We just gotta adjust. Another article. Let me read another article for y'all. Now, this is from the industry experts. Y'all ready? While automation could displace some roles, it also creates opportunities in technology, maintenance, and monitoring. Collaborating between industries and policymakers will be key to managing these transitions. These are what the industry experts. Who are these industry experts? People that don't drive trucks. That's all I'm saying. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Embark are already conducting trials with driverless trucks, logging millions of miles in real-world conditions. These pilot programs aim to ensure reliability and safety before full-scale deployment. They lying. They lying. Oh man, they lying. I'm just going through the articles I'm reading, guys. They lying. As the technology matures, the role of driverless semi-trucks will expand, revolutionizing logistics and supply chains worldwide. The road ahead is filled with challenges, but the potential for safer, more efficient, and sustainable transportation network is within reach. Haters wrote all these articles. Listen, none of these is not truck drivers. None of these articles are not truck driver at all. Oh, here we go. Truck driver. I've been driving for 20 years. It's hard not to wonder what this means for people like me. Whatever that means. Yeah, man. I don't know. My question is, what do you think about these autonomous trucks, self-driving trucks? Do you think it's here to take over? That's the question. Do you think it's here to take over? I don't see it hitting the road right now. I give it 5 years. Now they're trying to. I think Amazon has some. I see Amazon have some. I think Walmart has some yard dog that's self-driving. I seen something like that. But I'm not worried. I don't see that happening. Oh my gosh, it's trucker territory, guys. I don't see them taking over. I see them taking over probably a certain sector as far as like yard dogs, stuff like that, small runs, stuff like that. Because I also read an article. It said in Texas, from Dallas to Houston, they have like 20 trucks going out. I guess that's one of those trial runs. But I'm not worried about it. You don't worry about it. Well, just be aware. And if it do come, just adjust. It's something they're gonna need us. They can't take over the whole industry. That's all I'm saying. They can't take over the whole industry. They can't. It's not gonna happen. Aha. So that's all I gotta say. My truckers, my family members, let's be safe out there on the road. Drive safe. Don't let those robots take over. Okay? Okay? It's your boy Lendo, and I am Thought Man. Dope.